All right, David, welcome to Skydive Utah. You are about to make your first tandem skydive. How are you feeling about that?
Pretty nervous, actually, but it's been pretty cool. Ready to jump.
Oh yeah, is this a special occasion, or are you just nuts or something?
Just felt like doing it today.
All right.
They'd be a good day.
Bring any friends out with you?
Yeah, my buddy Garrett. We're both gonna jump.
All right, you've been waiting to do this for a while, or is this kind of?
Actually, since I was 16.
Wow. All right. Wow, that's been a long time then. So
Yeah, it's been a few years.
you're ready to go. You're not quite suited up yet. You're not going to jump in the condition you're in now, unless you plan on doing some crazy stunt or something. But we'll suit you up in a little bit, and then we'll go to the plane. And then it's 13,000 feet in the air, 2.5 miles. We'll kick you out the door. Free fall about 60 seconds and a canopy ride. So
Nice.
hope you have fun. We'll see you there.
I'm ready.
Woo!
Rock on.
Already ready. We're halfway there.
Right on. Ready to jump.
Sounds like you're pretty ready. How about you, JVC?
Let's do this.
JVC is ready to go.
Rock on.
Not nervous at all? Look out the window.
Yeah. pretty high up, man.
All right, well, he's pretty solid. We'll be outside in just a minute.
Right on.
Woo.
Ready for it.
All right, David, once again, hooks you there.
Right
Stand
on.
up.
It was crazy, man.
All right, go ahead and stand up. What'd you think, man?
It's probably the coolest thing I've ever done.
Probably the coolest
My
thing you've ever
entire
done.
life, it is the coolest thing.
It is the coolest thing.
It's
Okay.
well worth it. You definitely come out Skydive Utah, jump out of a plane.
Yeah, for sure. What was your favorite part?
Jumping out, free falling. It was intense. It was intense.
It is intense. All right, you guys look great up there. You did some spins, looked around. Everything looked pretty good.
Hell yeah.
There's JVC. He saved your life.
Scratched up my new tattoo. That's alright.
Oh.
It happens, right?
Thanks for coming out, man. You too. Woo!